What's up, people? Today we have another job. We're going to be cleaning the front patio as well as painting a few bits. So let's get into it. It wasn't the dirtiest patio, but it definitely needed some revival. So I started off by clearing up all the dirt on the floor. Make sure to clean up all the dirt before you pressure wash. It makes everything cleaner and easier to work. So I used the surface cleaner for the first part, just for a general clean and to spread the solution around. But it's not the most powerful attachment, so I'll go over it with a more powerful nozzle, which allows me to be more detailed when I'm taking out the stains. We make sure to clean the entrance as well so it looks presentable. So you can really see the difference when you're walking. And a touch of paint on the gate makes a big difference. The floor's looking more clean now and it has a more homely feel to it. We even clean the gutter out as well. The only thing now left to do is paint the walls and that's job done. So comment down below, what would you rate this restoration? Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow, subscribe, like and share. See you guys at the next job.